Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I introduce this craft MEMO foam to you. This is a foam and now we heat it. Let's speed up the video. We need to heat all this side and make the foam soft. Then I use this branch and stamp the foam. We need to press hard and make the foam stamped. Then we use ink pad and brush on the foam. Now transfer the color. Say the pattern was transferred. Sometimes we can spray water onto the foam to make the surface wet and transfer the color easier. See another one complete. They will be so nice for card background. Then we clean and heat it again for future use. Heat to make the foam back to flat surface. It's magic and amazing, right? Okay, it was flat. Now I show more use of this foam. We heat it. Yes, this time I use these small beads. Usually I use them for chic cards or card decoration sequence. But this time they totally different use and see what will turn out. Remove the beads and brush the color. Then stamp on the paper. Turns out very pretty, just like bubbles on background. Let's stamp more papers. Very pretty background. Okay, let's heat to make it MEMO back. Now let's try with emboss folder. Press as hard as we can. And make the pattern stamped on the foam. Brush the color. The pattern seems very beautiful. And stamp. Yes, the pattern is really very beautiful. Okay, let's try more. First, we heat the foam. And this time I use this very beautiful flower background die cut. Let's see the surface. It seems I didn't press hard enough. The emboss is not deep enough. Let's color and see it will turn out. Stamp. Oh, I think if I press hard enough, this pattern will be very pretty. But this MEMO foam is really so amazing, can work with many other stuffs, and lots of fun to play with it. It's today's tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.